Have you considered getting into drone racing? How about just flying with FPV goggles? If you're looking to buy your very first racing drone, stick around as I'll be breaking down the top 3 beginner racing drones. What's up everyone, John from DroneSourceBlog.com, and today I'm bringing you a brand new video on the best 3 racing drones for any beginner. First up on our list we have the Blade Mach 25, one of the more aesthetically appearing racing drones on the market. The Blade Mach 25 sports a modern and clean looking appearance. It sports a slightly above average weight overall, which gives off a sturdy and non-bulky feel while flying. The Mach 25 has overall quality parts which make it fly smoothly in the air at high speeds. The build of this drone has a slightly forward tilt to it, which allows the camera to point down for improved visuals while flying. Like any other quality racing drone, the Blade Mach 25 comes with brushless motors which make for smoother prop rotation and support stable flying in the air. Blade provides an extra battery with the Mach 25 along with 2 sets of propellers for any crashes that may occur. The Mach 25 tops out at about 55 miles per hour with a battery life of 6 minutes. Next up on our list of the best beginner racing drones is the Odyssey Starfall X. Arguably a more aesthetically pleasing drone compared to the Mach 25, the Starfall X is more of a hybrid racing drone. This particular drone has excellent operating range for the FPV feature. The Odyssey Starfall X maintains a high quality resolution feed all the way up to 500 meters of distance. Due to the Starfall X's 1080p camera, this particular drone can be used for both racing and regular drone flying. Just like the Mach 25, the Starfall X reaches speeds up to 55 miles per hour, and if that isn't impressive enough, the Starfall X's battery lasts around 6 to 8 minutes. If you're looking for a mixture between a high quality racer that can also take 1080p video and photos, the Odyssey Starfall X is a great option. Finally, the last drone on the market that is truly a steal for the money is the Walkera Rodeo 110. The Rodeo 110 is equipped with a 600 TVL wide-angle camera along with a 600mW transmission. What's the importance of this? First off, I will say the wide-angle camera on such a small drone is extremely nice to see, as most mini drones like the Rodeo 110 do not have this feature. The next important thing to come from this wide-angle camera and transmission is the amazing lack of video latency. What is that exactly? Latency is the delay you may have between your video and your FPV goggles versus where your drone actually is flying. A lack of latency is crucial while racing drones, as being able to know exactly where you're flying gives you the best chance of getting to your intended destination. Due to this being a mini drone, it's no surprise the Walkera Rodeo 110 maxes out about 6 minutes of flight time. This is a good amount of time, as the Rodeo 110 is much lighter than the other 2 drones listed, but is still keeping up with them in terms of battery life. To continue on that point, the Rodeo 110 comes with a carbon fiber frame and F3 flight controller. The flight performance on this drone is by far the best of the bunch due to the high quality brushless motors and propellers. If you're at all considering a racing drone, the Walkera Rodeo 110 is an incredible drone that will help you start your new hobby. A rare feature among racing drones, the Walkera Rodeo 110 offers a beginner-friendly flight stabilization which will allow you to hone your skills while you're just starting out. I hope this helped get you started on picking out your very first racing drone. If you're at all looking to purchase a racing drone, check out the links below where you can find them for the lowest price available. And of course, if you haven't already, drop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. Let me know what drone you'll be buying in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.